In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add a date picker calendar dropdown in Microsoft Excel. This feature is incredibly useful if you frequently work with dates in your Excel spreadsheets. It can make data entry faster and more accurate, helping you avoid potential errors that come from typing in dates manually. First, we'll begin by opening Microsoft Excel. Once you have your Excel workbook ready, you'll need to navigate to the ribbon at the top of the page. Here, we are looking for the Developer tab. If you don't see the Developer tab right away, don't worry, it's a tab that might need to be activated in some versions of Excel, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's assume it's there and proceed. Now, within the Developer tab, look for the Add-ins group. Here, you should see an option for add-ins, so go ahead and click on that. This action will prompt a new window to appear on your screen. It's important to take note of this window as it will guide us to the next step. Within this window, you're going to see an option for the Office Store. Go ahead and click on Office Store. It will redirect you to a space where you can explore various add-ins that can enhance your Excel functionality. In the Office Store, locate the search box, which is generally towards the top right corner of the window. Here, type in Mini Calendar and press the Enter key. This will initiate a search within the store. After a moment, you should see a list of results. Look for Mini Calendar among these results, and once you find it, click on the Add button next to it. After clicking Add, a prompt may appear asking for some permissions. Simply click on Continue to go ahead with the installation of this add-in. Now that you've successfully added the mini calendar, you'll notice that it appears on your workbook. At this point, it's integrated into Excel and ready for use. To make the most out of this feature, simply click on the cell where you want the date to be recorded. Once the cell is highlighted, glance over at the mini calendar and choose the date you wish to input. The date will automatically populate into the selected cell, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. And that's all there is to it. You've just added a simple yet powerful tool to your Excel toolkit. With this mini calendar, entering dates into your spreadsheets is quick, easy, and precise. I hope you found this guide helpful, and thank you for watching.